Imagine holding a device in your hands that has the raw power of Apple's most expensive Pro iPhones, but fits completely right inside your jacket pocket. For years, Apple treated the iPad mini like an afterthought, leaving it to collect dust with outdated screens and recycled processors. But right now, deep inside the supply chain, something massive is changing. Apple is quietly building the iPad mini 8, and it is tracking to be the single most disruptive, radical redesign of a compact tablet we have ever seen. If you think this is just another minor spec bump, you are about to be completely mistaken. Apple is completely changing the game, and the leaked details dropping from the factories prove that this device will alter how we look at portable tech forever. Let's talk about the biggest issue that has plagued every single iPad mini user for years. You look at the screen, you scroll through a web page, and you notice that annoying, laggy distortion where one side of the screen moves faster than the other. Jelly scrolling. It made a $500 tablet feel cheap. For generations, users begged Apple to fix it, and Apple acted like it wasn't even a problem. But the engineering blueprints for the iPad mini 8 reveal the ultimate solution. Apple is completely stripping away the old LCD panel and replacing it with a custom-engineered tandem OLED display. This isn't just an upgrade, it is an entirely different class of technology. By stacking two distinct light-emitting layers on top of each other, Apple is bringing deep, infinite contrast, ink-like blacks, and breathtaking color accuracy directly to an 8.5-inch footprint. Because of how the pixels fire individually on an OLED panel, jelly scrolling is completely dead. But here is the real catch that Apple doesn't want you to think about yet. High-end tandem OLED screens are incredibly expensive to manufacture. This means the classic mini form factor is transitioning from a casual e-reader into a premium powerhouse, and that comes with a massive cost. If you think a beautiful screen is the only thing Apple is changing, wait until you look at what is happening under the aluminum hood. Hidden deep within leaked operating system code, developers uncovered a secret hardware identifier that ties the next-generation iPad mini directly to the legendary A19 Pro and A20 Pro silicon architectures. We are talking about a chip built on a cutting-edge 3nm or even a microscopic 2nm process. To put that into perspective, this tiny tablet will pack more processing power and graphical bandwidth than the majority of premium laptops on the market today. Apple is injecting a massive 12 GB of unified RAM into this compact chassis. Why does a small tablet need that much memory? The answer is simple and terrifyingly ambitious. Local, uncompromised Apple intelligence. The cloud isn't going to process your data anymore. The iPad mini 8 is designed to run ultra-complex, next-generation AI models right in the palm of your hand, completely offline, instantly. From advanced real-time voice synthesis to generating complex multi-layered environments, this device is being built to act as an autonomous pocket-sized supercomputer. But with all this raw performance comes a dangerous engineering challenge that has tech analysts deeply worried. How do you cram a blazing fast Pro processor, a dual-layer OLED panel, and massive AI hardware into a body that is less than 1/4 of an inch thick without turning it into a thermal nightmare? If a device gets too hot, the processor automatically slows down to protect itself, destroying your performance.